Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome once again to thescarefactor.com. Tonight's Haunted Attraction Adventures brings us here to the Haunted Hotel down here in Louisville, Kentucky. They have opened up for, you could say, an extreme haunted attraction adventure. There was rumor on the street that they might be hiding Easter eggs inside, so we know that Nora loves her scavenger hunts, so hopefully that's a thing. So yeah, let's see what's going on here and see if we can get some scares for Easter. Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You broke it now.
It says, ooh.
Nobody's got this bag. Oh my. Oh, that is a big egg.
That's cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Like 2000.
I will definitely try.
Okay.
Thank you, Aaron.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Don't walk fast enough,
Asses
apparently.
against the wall. My name is Marty. Can everybody
Marty.
say hello, Marty?
Hello,
Marty.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Now then, I must ask for offering in exchange for protection.
Oh.
Protection? All right, I got
Change
you.
for a 20?
We got Jolly Ranchers.
Jolly Ranchers.
What's our protection?
Your protection is here.
Oh, in a suitcase?
Yes. Take the last egg. It's all yours.
Oh.
Ew, it's gooey.
Oh, it's stringy.
It is indeed. You don't want to know what that is.
No, I should.
Amniotic
Oh
fluid.
God, that's worse than I thought.
We're here to introduce you to Louisville's worst. Everything we found in the sewers, in the attics, under Grandma's couch.
Oh.
Now then. I believe your ride is here. But first, you're gonna take great care of that egg throughout the entire haunt, correct?
Correct.
Good.
Oh gosh, that was the last egg. Those poor people out there will have no protection.
They will not.
Step.
Elevator. Step there.
Take him down!
Ooh, down. Oh,
Okay.
Not nice. I'm going with not nice. Oh.
Oh.
Just squeaked at us. Oh, she has eggs. These are my eggs. Okay. Thank you very much. I will not take them. We're landing. We have arrived. Fuck yeah!
Oh, it's
Bye,
cute.
bunny. This is Fed.
Okay, I'm not
Fed.
gonna fall again.
That is backwards from Jeff. Oh, okay. Uh-oh, I hear something. It's really foggy.
Oh, there's a roach or something there. He was sleeping, I think.
I think he's sleeping. The cockroaches. I swear it came out.
Hi. Oh, we did you earlier. Security.
Security.
Yes, we did.
Now he has ears. Yeah.
Oh. Somebody's massaging my head.
A microphone.
Oh yeah, you're listening to me, huh?
I am, yes. We must listen to security so we know what's going on, right? And who to avoid?
You look right here, we can see everything that's going on.
Oh, that's us.
If you're misbehaving, I'm gonna know.
I'm probably gonna misbehave, okay? We're gonna. Oh, there's a bunny! There's a bunny! He is cute.
Just
Oh, it's a
grass.
head wrapped as an Easter basket. Look how
Moving
beautiful.
forward.
Yeah, I hope mine don't end up in there. That is
She's
not a good gift
suffocating.
for somebody. That Easter bunny likes to take humans. Oh, the door! Goddamn security guard! With me. Oh, that does not look good. I didn't do it. Smell like a rotten egg. Oh yeah. Oh, thank you.
I can't understand what's going on.
Woo! Okay, we're good. Ew, no.
I think so.
Joanna had to point out the spider. There's another one right there, Joanna. Look at its
I
fangs.
know, it's right there.
Ew. Oh my God.
There's another one right
You're
here.
a very pretty bunny.
Oh, it's a rat!
Oh, he's trying to give us eggs.
Rats!
Or he's spitting on us one too. Oh, you go back in there. Oh, that one may have been eating some grass. There's a weird hand coming through the wall. Oh, oh, hello. Hi.
Take this and don't let any of the kids have it.
Do it what with it?
Don't let any of the kids have it.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Whoa!
I can't let any of the kids have it. Okay. I got it. Now I have 2 eggs. What the fuck?
Why are you in
She's
your PJs?
possessed. I think she's truly one of the hotel.
Possessed.
So's that one. Do not trust that rabbit.
Okay.
Don't let her give you no eggs.
Okay.
You part rabbit too. What the heck? Oh my.
Oh, I thought that was a person.
It is a person. Without a head. They must be hungry in here. Oh.
You guys are all about Tiny Tim in here.
Bread? I don't have any bread. Uh-oh.
Yikes.
She wants bread? There's a basket.
Got a lot of dollies in here.
No bread. Sorry. Why does the rabbit want bread? I think.
And tell
Oh, I did not.
Oh, I don't have
No
any.
eggs. I have no eggs.
You stole my eggs!
No! I have no eggs. That bunny is an egg stealer. He's real mean.
Stole my eggs! I did not steal your eggs.
There's some right
There's
there.
another step.
There's giant eggs.
There's an egg in that guy.
Is that an egg or a coconut? I guess it's an egg.
There she is.
Oh, crunchy! Crunchy! Yeah! Woo! Crunchy!
I think I'm gonna take a nap.
Ooh, see, there's another bag. What is in the bag? I want to know what's in the bag. Oh. Oh my. Oh. That is not. I think it's moving, yeah. They are carrots! They're carrots! Come on! Okay, we're coming. Through the closet. We're going. We're coming and we're going. I thought I heard another chainsaw. Maybe it was echoing.
I think
Right?
it was echoing.
Okay. Chainsaws in tight spaces. It's tight, dark spaces. That's what she said. Don't trust doors with holes in them. I think the creatures have been fed recently, so we are good. Just watch out for the ones with 2 legs. Like, you know. Oh! You shit! No! It's our friend! Look out for the ones with 2 legs! Where'd he go? See, he fucking disappeared.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, that one's crawling on the ground.
I don't know
Are you
what
okay?
that is.
Is
Is it a rat?
I don't
Is it
know.
A rat or a bunny?
Maybe.
Or- I don't want to step on you. I'm gonna walk
It's a
this
bun
way.
rat.
Bunny
Or a
rat.
bat.
A bun rat.
We'll just call it a bat. That's what happens when you listen to this music for 24 hours.
I know.
Oh. Oh, look at that bunny.
I'm gonna go this way.
Stole our eyeball. Oh. I don't know if it wants us to pet it or what. I'm wondering where the rest of the bunnies are. Because I don't think the ones out here are very nice. Egg with you. Oh, there's another one. Uh-oh. That one has a weapon.
Yikes.
Oh, I like your egg back there.
Thank you, I made it myself!
It's beautiful. Yeah. Monster. Perfect timing.
So.
Uh-oh.
No,
Joanna,
he
it's the
was
fucking
upstairs.
Hall of Hell.
Oh no. I think I'm gonna
And
go
it's
in
Bubba.
here.
Joanna's going in the exit like this. Not Give him an egg and he'll calm down. Oh, yeah. Bunny, bunny, bunny! Be good!
He gave me a bunny kiss.
No, no. Did it come out of there? Did it come out? Oh. Good job. Thank you.
It came out of somewhere where I didn't guess.
Oh my God.